In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move multiple clips in Shotcut. If you've ever clicked a clip and everything else seems to deselect, that's normal. Shotcut is designed to focus on a single item when you click it. The trick is knowing how to select more than one clip when you want to shift several parts of your edit at once. I'll walk you through 2 reliable ways to do that, along with a few practical tips to keep things tidy and accurate. First, let's look at how to move your entire sequence together. Click anywhere in the timeline panel to make sure it's active. This matters because your keyboard shortcuts won't work unless the timeline has focus. Now press Command and A on a Mac, or Control and A on Windows. You'll see every clip on the timeline highlight, which means they're selected. From here, click and drag any one of those highlighted clips. All selected clips will move together as a group, keeping their spacing and order exactly the same. This is perfect when you need to make room for an intro, shift the timing of the whole edit, or align everything to a new beat in your music. As you drag, watch the playhead and the timeline ruler so you can land precisely where you want. Sometimes you don't want everything to move, just a few clips. To do that, click the first clip you want to include. Then, while holding Command on Mac or Control on Windows, click the second clip you want to add to the selection. Both will highlight and anything unselected will stay put. Now, drag either of the highlighted clips, and only those chosen pieces will move together, maintaining their relationship to each other without disturbing the rest of your timeline. This selective approach gives you precise control, especially when you're happy with most of the edit and only need to shift a small section. A few quick tips to make this smoother. If you need finer control, zoom in on the timeline so you can see individual frames and place clips exactly. Keep an eye out for snapping as you drag. Shotcut will help your clips snap to cut points and the playhead, which speeds up alignment and keeps edits clean. And if something doesn't land where you expected, don't stress. Use undo to step back and try again. That's all there is to it. Select all to move everything, or use the Command or Control click method to move only what you need. If you found this helpful, leave a comment, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and tap the notification bell so you don't miss the next tutorial.